Want to save power while playing PubG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll try some quick and easy steps on how to decrease the FPS in PubG. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the arrow icon from the bottom right corner. Then select Settings option from here. After that, tap on Graphics from the right side of the screen. Below frame rate section, you'll see 4 options. Among them, power saving is the lowest frame rate option. Tap on it. Now tap on the apply button. And that's how you can decrease the FPS in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.